In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to read from your files in Python programming. So I would have made this video lecture joining it with the last or the previous lecture that just ended. I didn't know why I skipped that, and let me go ahead and teach that right now. So I don't need to waste our time. Go ahead and copy everything here, and let's go ahead and remove this from here and go back to this file and open the second file and press everything here. We are going to read this file and go to file and save it. Close it again. I don't know what is inside there. Remember, we did that together. So if you want to read the file, go ahead and say, what's that, tx is equal to open. You have to open the file you want to read. And we are going to read from the C drive. And under the front folder text. And let's read the first one that we copied previously. And that is in the first one. That is first.txt, and go out there and put a comma, and the next thing you put is R. R means to read. Okay, I want to read this. I'll go here and say tx.read. Okay, remember, you can use any other thing. You're like, go ahead and use A or anything, because I've used tx and it looks as if that is the format. So I use A to show different things altogether. Go ahead and run this project, and whoa, I didn't put print. Okay, please go ahead and put print and close this right here and run this code and check it out. So this is what I just wrote to my file using Python programming. So this is from the very first one we wrote previously in the last lecture. So go ahead and change this to second, and to show the code we copied to the second file, and go ahead and run this project and check it out. You see that? This is the code, and this code contains what we wrote, how we wrote to the file previously, and this is what you wrote. This is what I just wrote to my file using Python programming. So you see, I can read any file from my system, and you have learned how to do that. Go ahead and put it down, and you can see that Python is very easy and very straightforward. Only 2 lines of code, and we are doing something marvelous. Alright, so go ahead and check it out, and if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.